Pleasant morning, all of you. Welcome to the online class 6th standard History, chapter number 3 Prehistoric Society. In the introduction, let us understand. In this lesson, we are going to study the difference between historic period and the prehistoric period is made clear, and at the same time, we can also understand the origin of earth and development of the living beings is explained, and also we can understand the that especially the changes that has gradually appeared in the life of human beings in the different ages like Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic age, and we study at the last about Iron Age. Okay, so let us understand. First, let us understand about the classification of history. Generally, history may be divided into three major periods. First period, the period in which no record of writings is found, is often considered as a prehistoric period. Example, Stone Age. It means in this age there is no records or there is no evidence. That period is known as prehistoric period. And second one we can understand, that is known as protohistoric period. Protohistoric period means the records are found but very difficult to understand. This period is known as protohistoric period. Even though some records are there but very difficult to understand, we can say that Harappan civilization. Even though we study about Harappan civilization, but it's very difficult to understand. Okay, and the third one, the period that has distinct records and writings, and of course it is readable and understandable. This period is known as historic period. So like that, so the historic, we can say that this is the classification of history. So the three period, then one is prehistoric period, second one is protohistoric period, and third one is known as a historic period. So like that we have the division in the history. Now let us understand about origin of human beings and development. So page number 60, they have given different stages of evolution among organisms and plants. It means how these organisms and plants have been created on the earth, between which age they have given in the years in millions in the first column, and second column they have given organisms, and the third column they have given plants. So that they are telling example 4000 to 2500 millions years microorganisms are found, plants was legend. Then at the same time 2500 million years to 570 they have given molluscus, that is algae, and plants here algae was found. So like the different evolution organisms have given. So in this we can also see first 4600 million years ago the first living beings appeared on the planet. It means on the earth were single celled bacteria. It is called prokaryotes. Okay, this is called prokaryotes. This is one of the bacteria which was found 4600 million years ago. And second, 3500 million years ago we can understand that is fossil evidence is there, that is of microorganisms as old as 2000 million years found. Okay, so that is the gradual evolution of the human beings. Okay, and they have given total details about the evolution. Okay, and we can understand evolution 570 million years ago fishes and other aquatic living beings, 438 to 408 billion years ago insects, 408 to 360 years ago amphibians, approximately 320 million years ago reptiles, 248 million years ago dinosaurs, 213 million years ago birds and mammals, 65 million years ago huge mammals, and 25 million years ago apes got evolved. 5 million years ago bipeds. Bipeds means it is, we can say that, that is, one can no walk, or one can stand and walk on two legs, that is called bipeds. Example, gorilla. And 1.8 million years ago human beings got evolved. So like that the evolution procedure was given, and at the same time you can understand the first human being, human being was appeared in Africa. It is believed that from there they migrated in various part of the world. Okay, and next let us understand about the different stages in prehistoric period. First period is known as Paleolithic, second stage is known as Mesolithic, and third prehistoric period is known as Neolithic period. Now let us understand Paleolithic age. What is this Paleolithic age? Paleolithic age is nothing but it is a now it is one of the old historic period, we can say that, or it is the beginning stage of the human now activity started, where where a man uncivilized, he never knew about the civilization. At the same time he had a wandering life, moving from one place to another place in search of food. And we can understand where the person, the people were now living in the caves, okay, and even never knew about much about fire. And of course he used simple stones for hunting, and he just and also he was now wearing some leaves as his clothes. Okay, so that was the stage. And later on, of course, at the end of this Paleolithic age, he learnt to control fire. And of course, especially that evident that we can see, especially in Uttar Pradesh, that is Belan Valley, we can see Uttar Pradesh, Hunasagi, okay, and Kurnool and Amaravati in Andhra Pradesh, and Baichapal in Karnataka. Okay, so these are some of the great examples where the human now lived there. They learned to control fire.